Look, package. Package. Want to open it for me? That's my cabin filter. Okay, I'm going to be changing the, my cabin filter in my 2019 VW Atlas. This is the box here, FRAM True Air. Here's the part number. More information on it. What I'm going to be doing here is I got a trash bag here hanging on my glove box. Try to keep my vehicle clean. Take all the junk out of here. If I can get it. I'm using one hand here so I can hold the camera. Okay, now. Up here, somewhere, there's a couple of clips here. There's one right there on the left side. And somewhere, there's one on the right side too. Just take my word for it. And what you gotta do here, holding my camera here. I'm right-handed. Where is it at? There she is. Anyway, you put back on that. See if I can get this on camera. There we go. Glove box straps. This thing here, you can see that. It's hard to see out of the sun. Where are we at? Here we go. Pull this out here. A little closer here. Just pull that back. That just slides right back in. Got one slot right there when you put it back together. Okay. Freaking iPhone regardless, I swear. Anyway. And then this cover here over the cabin air filter. Let me back this up a little bit. You got 3 tabs here. You got one right here. You got 2 at each end. And you got this little handle right here. So it's easier. Sorry about the shaking, people. Pull this down on this tab here as you pull them back here. I have to use 2 hands. I had to stop my camera so I can use 2 hands because you got to pull back on this handle here as you pull on these 3 tabs back. Just 1, 2, and 3. 1 each end, 1 in the middle. Now this design piece here goes on the outside when you put it back on. And then you stick your fingers in there and try to drag that filter out. That's what you do. I know it's not a very good picture. You can see the difference in these. I think this one came with the vehicle. This is a new one here. This used to be a Enterprise rental. Oh, I'll never rent from them again. I mean, I never buy from them again. Yeah. Oh. Enterprise car sales is where it came from. That was a joke. Okay, just slide that back in. Where am I? There we are. And make sure the airflow, at least in this here, it was down. So slide that back in. Put that down. And then these pointy things right here, they go at the bottom. But you got to make sure it's not like that. It has to be like this. Otherwise it won't work. And then you just put it down in the opening space there. Make sure to push it in all three places there. And then what you do, can I get this here? Where am I here? Here we go. Then you put this in a slot there. Then you just slide it up. Open it. Put this up in here. Make sure this is lined up here. Then goes up in there. And you shut it. And that's it. That's all you do. That's all you do on it. It's done.